Yeah. Made the wrong turn once or twice. Dug my way out, blood and fire. Bad decisions, that's alright. Welcome to my sin life. Mistreated, misplaced, understood, miss. No way, it's so good. Did it slow me down? Mistaken, always second guessing, underestimated. Look, I'm still around. Pretty, pretty, please, don't you ever feel like you're less than perfect. Pretty, pretty, please, if you ever feel like you're nothing fucking perfect to